Hello, this is Stan, TKO Clamps. Today I want to introduce you to our easy release fire extinguisher system that we've designed. And this is how we got started in the fire suppression system. It's called Rally in the Pines in Idaho, and it was about 2018, 2017. And what happened was a guy came into our camp and said, hey, I need a fire extinguisher. Well, we had no idea why. What we later learned that day is the day previous, on our setup day, that a guy was up riding up in the mountains and his buggy caught fire. 5 or 6, 7 people, they all stood around and watched his buggy burn to the ground. And this is the results of what happened that day. I'll tell you what, that day in the market, everybody wanted a fire extinguisher. Because of that, we decided we should look at maybe taking our clamps and migrating them over to we call it an easy release system. Took us a while to get here, but we now have a working model that we absolutely love. This is basically how our system works. Regardless of what direction you send this bar, if you push it forward, it releases the lug, and if you pull it back, it releases the lug. Even though today we're only talking about our fire suppression system, this clamp can be used for numerous other applications. It could be as simple as a GoPro camera that you're trying to mount to the nose, or a set of speakers, or a fuel tank, or a spare tire. There are many more applications for our clamp. This is how simple our fire suppression system comes off of your bar. You basically pull it off like that. You have it off. To put it back on, you just wrap it right back around your bar. Bring your clamps together and snap them back on. Adjust to fit to suit your whatever tightness you want it. People that get under a lot of stresses, their fine motor skills disappear, and all they have available is gross motor skills. To even manipulate a zipper on a coat under stress is almost impossible. So to read instructions on how to remove a something from something is almost impossible. So our design was basically so that you didn't have to think about how to make this system work. You simply pushed it forward, it released, or you pulled it back and it released. We didn't have to tell you how to, or teach you how to use this. The reason we know it works so well, let me just start by saying, we made this thing, we put it on our buggy, we traveled around the country going to car shows, and we never had to release it. But about 2 years ago, we did have to release it. We were riding in the sand, our turbo got red hot, it ignited, our unburnable turbo bag caught fire, and we literally brakes on as fast as we could, slid to a stop, jumped out the door, spun around, grabbed the bar in one hand, the fire extinguisher in the other, pulled everything towards me, and I was absolutely stunned at how a system we designed that we believe is the best system out there came off so quickly. And within 15 seconds, fire was out, our buggy was saved, we didn't even burn wires. We were so happy. There's 2 different styles that we have. We have a large bottle that we make. This is our 3-pound bottle. For those of you that already have this rolling around in the back of your buggy, you can now purchase this little system right here from us. It looks like this. It comes with 2 clamps of your choice with a crash bar, because we don't know what size roll bar you have. So we now have we have clamps. You tell us what size, we send you those. And then it comes with a set of surrounds for the size of bottle that you're trying to fit. We also have a smaller one, and that's this one right here. And it's for a smaller bottle that we also market. We frankly believe that we have the best release system on the market today. Thank you for watching TKO. We would like for you to subscribe to our channel. In the future, we're going to have a lot of content. We're going to show you how our clamps can be used for GoPro cameras, fuel tanks, speaker systems, spare tires, show you how to mount them. I want to say thank you for your time. This is Stan, TKO, we're out.